Hello, YouTube, and welcome to me. How are you all doing? Doing fine over here. Basically, basically, I want to let you all know about a little thing that's going on. It is called Google Chrome OS. Yes, you heard the OS correctly. What this is forget Microsoft Windows. Forget Snow Leopard for Mac. It's a brand new OS. All the Android people out there that enjoy Android phones, such as the MyTouch, blah blah blah, all the Verizon smartphones are Android native. What this means is Google has produced a Linux-based operating system, and it's going to solely look like, if you go to Google and in the search box type in Chrome, it's going to be the Chrome browser. And as far as we can tell so far, I've already applied for the membership program or whatever it's called through Google. Hopefully I will get a it's just a demo model, a prototype, if you will, of a laptop. And if you go to YouTube, well, you're already on YouTube. If you type in Google Chrome OS, you'll see a plethora of videos of people that's already received the notebook. They compare it to the MacBook Pro, but the one slight difference is I'm not worried. The only operating system, excuse me, the slight difference, don't let me get off track, is it's a web browser. And what we are gearing toward now, I'm sure everybody's heard the term cloud computing now. Basically, what this is going to be is if you go to, let me show you a little rundown. This is Google Chrome. Let me go right over here. I'm so sorry for this, but this is Google Chrome. Open it up, and typically you would see just tabs, but I've already installed the web store. Now what the web store is going to be is, if you click it, it's going to look very much like iTunes. Google Chrome Web Store, it's got categories in it: communication, education, entertainment, family, games, lifestyle, news, productivity, and utilities. And these are your apps. Extensions, if you know what an extension is, if you'll look right up here, this is an extension. This is my Gmail. If I click it, it goes directly to my Gmail. Yeah, I've been playing with, oh my god, Pop. Anyway, back to this. This is what basically the operating system is going to consist of. You're going to be able to install apps, extensions, themes, etc., etc. Oh goodness. Basically, what I would like to know is, have we moved far enough into the future of technology where people are just now comfortable enough to switch into a new operating system? Don't smoke, kids. If society in the computing world is advanced far enough that we can use this cloud computing. If you don't know, I'll post a link of what cloud computing is from Wikipedia. Basically, everything's done remotely from the internet, like your documents. You can print remotely from anywhere, as long as your printer is, online. And I don't mean in a network, I mean just online in general. But are we ready for just an app-based internet now? Is this what the internet is coming to? Who's to say? You know, I mean, Google is very much of a powerhouse as we speak. You know, they've gobbled up all these other sites like Blogger, for example. You know, just and they're starting to branch out into just web development. I mean, I don't understand if, basically, my opinion is the notebook is going to be a big netbook. Remember the netbook craze that came out and then slowly integrated into many computers? Because their sole reason was just to get on the internet and wireless and all this other junk. But Google is releasing, by 2011, a notebook with an operating system from them based on the Linux platform. I'm not too sure. I haven't researched deep enough to know if it's Android or not, but that would be awesome, Google. That would be awesome. But are consumers willing to pay? Let's make up an imaginative number of, let's say $4.99. $4.99 to buy a computer that is just, the operating system is just a browser, i.e. Google Chrome, where you have to install different apps in cloud computing. I would really like your comments on this. Comment, subscribe, I'll get back to you, and hopefully Google will send me one of these and I'll demo it for you. Until then, holla.